Excuse me. How are you?
Why are you?
Do you know English?
I know English.
Okay, you know English, so tell me.
I know English. I know English. No, no, no.
But I see that you are speaking good English.
I try, but people fly my joke.
What is your ultimate goal?
My ultimate goal is to decide my goal.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself in the mirror.
What role do you want to play for the society?
Chicken roll.